I am super sure that you have heard of Japan. Of course, Japan is a country in East Asia which is super famous for its amazing culture, its amazing content related to anime, and much more. But there are some things about Japan that you didn't know about. And let me tell you, if you know about these things, you will say that Japan is a different planet here on Earth. They have some cool, amazing gadgets, some cool, amazing food, which many of us don't know about. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get into the video and understand 6 facts about Japan that makes it a totally different planet on Earth. Let's get started with fact number 1. Fact number 1. You can't show your tattoo in many public places. Before going to the gym, you have to cover it with a patch. Now this is super interesting. You made a tattoo so you can show to the world, but here in Japan you have to cover it with a patch even before going to the gym, and you can never show your tattoo to any public places. What do you think about it? Write it down in the comments, and also tell me if you were in Japan whether you get a tattoo or not. Fact number 2. The hospital food in Japan. Now just look at this picture for just 5 seconds. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what vibe did you get from this? Is this a food from the hospital, or this is the most delicious food in the restaurant? Because this is the food in the hospital of Japan. The patient gets served this amazingly delicious food. Not like other countries where the hospital food is considered super simple and without any salt and any other spices. But here they get a full party food. What do you think about it? Have you ever got into the hospital in Japan? Would you be like to go in there for this type of food? Hey, didn't I tell you in the beginning that Japan has some super cool tech? This is one of these facts. The public toilets of Japan have transparent walls. But you know what? Wait. Don't freak out right now. But when some person get inside, they become opaque, which means you can't see through them. Now this is a technology that we want in our country. These toilets are beautifully designed and they're transparent. But when you get inside, it's opaque, which means you can't see inside. You know what? Whenever you order a pizza from Domino's, from maybe Pizza Hut, we all have been there when the pizza is totally distorted in its shape. But this will never happen in Japan. But you know why? Because this pizza box that you are showing on your screen has a handle which will make the pizza flat, and the public will definitely enjoy this flat and delicious pizza. Hey, would you want that type of boxes in your country? Why don't you write it down in the comments and say which of these 4 facts that I have told until now you like the most. Alright, let's move on to fact number 5. You know, there is a notion which is very popular in some of the countries, which is that a person who don't know how to sign is not very much educated. He uses thumbprints and XYZ. But here in Japan, it is totally opposite. All persons, all of them, don't sign paper. Instead, they uses a personal stamp just for them, which is called inkan. Did you want this type of feature in your country as well? I may want it. It's cool. A personal stamp just for me. It's super cool. So without wasting any of your time, let's get to facts number 6. And yeah, there's also a bonus track just for you. So please be patient till the end of the video, okay? Hey, before telling you fact number 6, can you just tell me what is this image on your screen? What does it look like? I will give you simple 5 seconds. 1, tick 1, tick 2, tick 3, tick 4, and tick 5. So what have you thought? Write it down in the comments. But let me tell you, this is an emergency toilet in Japan. This emergency toilet can be found in any elevators in hotel in Japan. It is an emergency toilet just made for the guests. Thank you for waiting until now and seeing all the facts. Here is a special fact for you, and believe me, it could be a scarier one. So go ahead at your own risk. So it is, if you are near a nuclear blast, you will die with no pain. Now that is quite ironical. You know why? Because the explosion will kill you faster than your brain detects any pain.